Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the internet browser on your Xbox One. So let's go to where it says My Games and Apps right here. Go to See All. If you scroll on down to Apps, we are looking for this, the Microsoft Edge browser. Open this up. And when we open this up, this will be the internet browser on your Xbox. And it actually is a pretty good browser. You can see I got a bunch of different tabs open right now. And it looked like it remembered it. So what is this? I got twitch.com on here. So you can just open this up and go to one of your websites you want, like Google or something like that. Just type it in. I think Bing is the default search engine, which is good enough for images and stuff. So if you want to get like an image or something like that, you can go to this. And then you can copy the image. I think you can set that as your background. So let's set it as a background. And open this up. Is it a background now? So you can set an image as a background just by doing that on the browser. And then if you want to go to like a website or something like that, it's very easy to access. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.